Hey, what's up, guys? So I had this problem with my motorcycle. I just recently bought this, and it started doing this problem where I would turn on the motorcycle. Everything. I mean, it has power, it has lights, everything work, including the honk. But at the moment that I try to start it, it will make a clicking noise, and it sounds something like this. At first, I don't know. I was really mad because I had just bought it, so I didn't know what was causing this problem, and it was really upsetting. But I did see a video from someone else. I forgot his name, but I will post them in the comments. Well, sorry, in the details. So just to give him a shout out. So basically, the problem is with the relay. The relay was not really connected on. Well, it was loose. Therefore, it wasn't creating the proper connection. And this motorcycle is a Bajaj Avenger 220. It's an Indian made brand. It's a really good motorcycle. I really like it. And well, basically, just to make the video as short as possible, we have to remove the seats. There's one bolt right here, there's another one here, and then there is another one on this side. I've already removed the screws just to make it easier and to not delay this video. So you probably will need to remove the top in order to make it easier for you, so you have better access. In my motorcycle, the relay, let's see if I can turn on the light here. Okay, I can't. But either way, the relay for my motorcycle is right here. And as you see, there's two screws right there. Oh, did it focus? Okay. This one I disconnected just so I can reproduce the error, but it was actually loose, and that's what was causing the big problem here. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and connect it so I can do a test run, and you guys can see that it's properly working and it's no longer doing that sound. So I mean, that was a really big relief for me, because I thought it was gonna be the starter, maybe the battery, which I really discarded that because it had light, everything was working properly, and the lights wouldn't dim when I try to crank the motor. So, all right, just give me a few seconds while I screw that back in, and we can make the test run. Give me 1 second, guys. Well, I don't have a place to put the phone down, so I'm just gonna do this with one hand. Hopefully, it doesn't take too long. You know what? I'm just gonna put down the phone to make it easier. All right, guys, I'm back. This time I turned on the flash so you guys can get a better view of what the problem was. So once again, this side of the relay was messing up. I think that's the relay. I'm not too motor savvy, so I mean, don't judge me for it. So let's see. So I've already tightened it up, and I got the power connected. I will turn on the motorcycle. You can see the lights turned on again. And this time, without a problem, the motorcycle turns on. The little click stopped, and this has relieved me from all of my suffering. It's really simple to do in the motorcycle, and will avoid you spending money, going to several shops, having them switch the battery and whatnot. I don't know how many things they will come up with before they actually find out it's just as simple as tightening the screws, well, the nuts. And well, hopefully this video helps you guys as much as it has helped me. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Once again, this probably those probably work with more than one brand of motorcycle. It's a common, well, semi-common issue. And once again, shout out to the person who posted the video that led me to solving this problem. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Big thumbs up.